everyone. How are you? Hope so you all are very fine. See, writing skill you all are knowing means how to write. Then how to read, that also you are knowing. You are communicating with your parents, with your friends, with your teacher. Here some of the skills means some of the manners, etiquettes and manners have been given to you with the help of Let's Speak in this lesson. So whenever we are speaking with somebody, we have to keep some of the manners. For example, in different situations, how we are talking with different people, that is very important in any of the communication. So with the help of this small lesson, you will come to know some of the basic things, that how to talk and how to react for the actions with the help of communication. See here in this lesson, listen, repeat and complete means, see, some of the things are given. For example, here you will able to see that a student is standing in front of teacher. Maybe the student has arrived in the class and that is why he is saying good morning teacher. This is the manners, that whenever you are watching to your teacher, someone dignitary, or to your parent, when you are meeting in the morning, at first you want to say good morning. So this is the manners. And in the answer, again in the written, good morning Amey, this answer has been given by teacher to that student. Means whenever somebody is saying to us something, we also have to give answer. Okay, instead of only good morning, you can say very good morning. Also, it is also correct. Then see next one situation. The mother and a boy is communicating with each other. See, I stood first in the class. This is the very important thing. Correct na? Very important thing for a mother and for a child, that he got first rank in the examination, or maybe in the competition, or maybe in the sports. So what is the answer given by mother? I am proud of you, my son. Okay, I am feeling very proud towards to my son. Likewise, answer has been given by mother. Now see the third situation. Father is there and a girl is there. So what they are talking? Baba, I won the match. Yes, this is the very, again, happiness for the father. And that is why father is also happy. And what father is saying? Congratulations. Okay. So you also have to be habitant for talking likewise, for giving answers for the proper situations. Okay, now see, grandfather is there and grandson is there. So what they are talking? Thank you grandpa for telling me interesting stories. You are habitual listening the stories from your grandparents. So I think never you have said thank you, but it's a manner. You have to say thanks for doing something, for helping somebody for you. So the boy is telling that thank you grandpa for telling interesting stories. And what answer has been given by grandpa? You are always welcome, my child. Okay, so answer has been given that you are always welcome. We also can say, if somebody is saying thank you to you for helping, you also can give answer, welcome my dear friend, welcome my child. Likewise, you also can give answer. See next situation. You cannot park your car here. Okay, many times prohibition is there for parking our vehicles near to any of the parking, or near to any of the garden, near to any of the street or hospital. And that is why the security guard is telling that you will not able to park your car here. Then what answer has been given by the person who is sitting, who is owner of the car? He is saying that I am sorry sir, I was not knowing. Okay, this is the politeness. So with these all the things we are understanding that while talking, our language should be very polite. We have to use all the things, means all the manners while talking with each other. Then only respect will be given to someone else, and respect will be taken from someone else. Okay, here we have completed the lesson. Now what is the activity for you? Let's speak different dialogues for each picture. For each picture you can make different dialogues also. Okay, So likewise you have to practice with your parents. Now let's come to second last lesson of this unit, reading time. It's a reading time. So now see, the lesson's name is Nani's glasses. Glasses, specs, Anak, chashma. Okay, so what has happened? See the situation. Granny is in very tension and the boy is asking what has happened. So let's see. Nani lost her glasses and she could not find them. So what has happened? See what is the situation. नानी के ग्लासेस घूम गए हैं और वो ग्लासेस उसको नहीं मिल रहे हैं. नानी keeps losing her glasses always. This is a habitual thing. She is habitual for losing her glasses. ये हमेशा की बात है कि उसका ऐनक कहीं ना कहीं घूम जाता है. Where did I keep them? She always asks. And now this is the ideal question by her, that मैंने कहाँ पे रखा होगा वो. Where did I kept them? Okay, so she needs me to be her eyes, to find her own eyes. Okay, and then what is needed? The boy is needed, the grandson is needed for finding out the glasses, the lost glasses. किसकी मदद होती है हमेशा? छोटे बच्चे की मदद होती है. छोटे बच्चे की आँखों की मदद से नानी को अपनी आँखें मतलब ऐनक मिल जाता है. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग इट इज. करेक्ट नो? You are also helping to your grandparents likewise, correct? Yes. And if you are not helping, it's my humble request that you also have to help out your parents and your grandparents. It's a very good manners. Okay, I hope so you will follow this by learning the stories and by learning the lessons. Sometimes her glasses are in the bathroom, sometimes on her bed, and sometimes on her head. Many times it is happening that glasses are on her head only and she is not knowing that thing. By mistakenly she is thinking that my glasses have lost somewhere, and in full house she is roaming and she is searching for that. And at last the boy is searching that glasses where maybe they are on her head only, or in the bathroom, or on her bed where she is sitting for stitching. Okay, and weaving. Just see now ahead. I looked everywhere. Today also the same thing has happened. As usual, Nani has lost her glasses and now she is searching everywhere for the glasses. The boy has started for searching. He started to look everywhere, in all the usual places, on her head, in the bathroom, inside the cupboard, on the bed. Okay, so as usual, हमेशा के जैसे ढूंढना शुरू हो गया. And where? On her head, in the bathroom, inside the cupboard, and on the bed also. The boy has searched that. I also looked under her favorite chair and on the dining table. Many times it is happening that the grandparents are sitting on one particular chair only, and that chair becomes the favorite chair for them. And so the boy has seen under the chair also. No glasses, no luck. Oh, the boy is once again very unhappy that glasses he didn't got only. Okay, I asked her what she had done for whole day. Then the boy has started to take interview. बोलो नानी, जल्दी जल्दी बोलो, आज तुमने दिन भर में क्या क्या किया. Okay, the questions have been started from the boy. जल्दी जल्दी बोलो, आज दिन भर तुम क्या कर रहे थे. Why he has asked these questions? Can you tell me? Can you guess me what will be the intention? Yes, you are correct. By understanding the full day's routine, the boy will understand that where Nani was sitting, and wherever she would have sat, surely the glasses will be on one of the particular place only. And that is why this interview has started by the boy for asking the routine of full day to the granny. She has given the answer. She said, I did nothing much today. मैंने आज बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं किया है. Nothing much I did today. Some cooking in the kitchen and some work in the garden. Then I spent time in reading and knitting. Okay, so some of the time I have done knitting work, reading work, and some of the time I was busy in cooking in the kitchen. Then some of the time I was in the garden. And so likewise knitting means what? Knitting लोकर का जो काम होता है, लोकर से स्वेटर्स बनाते हैं या स्कार्फ्स बनाते हैं. इन दैट शी वॉज बिजी फॉर सम टाइम. नाउ I had many clues. Yes, the boy became very happy that surely now I will get the specs because she has given the clues. Maybe in the kitchen, maybe in the garden, maybe on the reading table or where she was sitting for knitting there. And so with the help of that clues, he started to search once again the lost glasses. I quickly looked around new places in the house. I found the missing glasses. The glasses were wrapped in the knitting yarn. Okay, you all are knowing that when the knitting yarn is there, लोकर का जो ऐसे होता है, ये बहुत बड़ा बॉल होता है लोकर का, और लोकर के बॉल में ये जो ऐनक था नानी का वो वैसे ही लपेटा गया था. ओके, एंड द बॉय गॉट दैट lost glasses in the knitting yarn. The boy became very happy, and as usual Nani also became very happy. Okay, so exercise will be given to you, workbook writing will be given to you. You all are requested to write these question answers in a very proper way, and very soon whichever exam will be there, in that exam also you have to write these answers, question answers, then one many. Likewise, according to question paper pattern, you all have to do your work, learning work also and writing work also in a very proper way. So my dear students, come to last lesson for this unit, for this third unit. It's a writing skill. It's a very easy task. With the help of your parents, you can read the recipe how to create soup bubbles. Okay, so now it is not necessary to read these all the things because you all are habitual to read this. Some of the writing skills have been given in the workbook that you have to complete by watching the PDF. Only I will tell you that in the writing skill already you all are habitual for writing compositions. Compositions, already 2 compositions we have completed. One my mother and another one is my pet. Okay, so my pet already I have given you for learning only. So whenever you will learn, you will be habitual for writing. For some days you have to learn and you have to write, but once when your vocabulary will be perfect, at that time you will able to form your own sentences, and then the writing skill will be very easy for you. So see my dear students, with the help of your parents, once you have to read this recipe in a very proper way, and you have to understand the things. See now, read and understand. This is one of the composition only given on the fruits. For example, in writing skill, writing skill, what is given? This, like these pictures are given, and you have to elaborate, you have to narrate sentences of your own. Okay, for example, now see, this fruits basket has been kept and various types of fruits are kept. Your teacher will give you some of the clues that you have to observe the picture, and you have to write some of the sentences related to this picture. So see here, names are written, means information has been written that fruits are good for health. I like to eat apples, mangoes, grapes, pineapples, pears and guavas. Eating fruits will keep you strong, healthy and active. Very small sentences but very useful and according to the picture. So this is known as writing skill. Now see, let's list down the things in our classroom using commas. These all questions and answers already are given in the workbook. I have completed my writing, so you all are requested to complete that writing in a very proper way. Now, this is very important thing that here we have completed syllabus for second unit test, and as you all are knowing that very soon your exams are there. Timetable has been issued, so you all are requested to study second unit test very properly. 5 little seeds poem will come. So this is again one clue for you for learning the poem. You all are requested to study very properly and give your exam in a very proper way. Okay, wish you all the best for your exams. Whatever revision will be given to you, you have to complete that full revision in a very proper way in the notebook once, and then you have to write your paper. Okay, all the best for your exams. We'll meet very soon in the next week. Till that, bye all of you. Take care.